So this is your VLAN which I'm going to configure, and I have two switches connected with multiple PCs, and every PC has its own IP address starting from 10.00, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now since it is the same network, all the machines will be able to communicate, isn't it? But switch to switch is not connected. So which cable you are going to use in order to connect switch to switch? It is crossover cable, isn't it? Now I'm going to use the last port, which is of 24, connected to your 24. Last port for me to understand. Now, can I able to ping 15 device? Why is not pinging? Why is not pinging? See the color of the connection. It is amber. It is amber since negotiation is going on. So in short, you can wait or you can fast forward. This is the power. This is a forward key which you can forward. Now I'm going to ping again. Can you see pinging? Yes, because the time taken to make this negotiation was done to send the packet of ping. So once it is successful, you can able to ping all your PCs in the same network. Now do you have any security over here? Now you want to restrict some rules, or you want to set some VLAN. So this is the architecture which I'm going to have. I'm going to use these two in same VLAN, and I'm going to use this machine, this two in a same VLAN, and let me have these two machines are same VLAN, and these two machines are in same VLAN. Clear? Shall I? Clear, guys? So let me have some numbers of VLAN itself. So it is going to be, give me some number. VLAN 13. VLAN 1 is default or native VLAN. So use it 10. So this is also going to be VLAN 10. This is going to be VLAN 20. Okay. And this is also going to be VLAN 20. What about this VLAN you like to have? VLAN 30 or 300. Same VLAN, different VLAN. They are in different VLAN. Let us see how it works. But you verified that so far all the machines are able to communicate, because all are in different or same VLAN? Or same VLAN. So they can able to communicate. Now you are going to put some restriction that you are not supposed to configure or communicate. As I told you, VLAN is a concept done on your switch, and it should be configured on the interface of the device. So let me open your switch. Under CLI, you can see the same as what you see in your router, isn't it? You can see the same as what you see in the router. Same commands, everything is same. Enable, config, everything is same. So show run is a command used to see the running configuration. So let me see what I have. I have nothing. ETH1, FA1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 24 port, and no VLAN. And what is the default VLAN? VLAN 1, and no IP set. And what is the con password? VTY password is telnet. And how many you can telnet for your switch? 0 to 4 and 5 to 15. Clear? You can set some passwords. Let us configure now. So let me go ahead and see whether what are the VLANs available. So the command is show VLAN. Show VLAN will give information about what are the VLANs available. Can you see what it says? Default VLAN is VLAN 1, and by default all the ports are inside VLAN 1 only. That is the reason they can communicate with each other. Clear? Since they are in default VLAN of VLAN 1, so they can communicate. So I am going to change it to different VLAN. Shall I?
Yes.
So let me go ahead and, so which is the PC is connected, PC1 is connected which interface? FA01. So let me go to FA01. So it is configure your terminal int FA0/1. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set VLANs, isn't it? So I'm going to tell switch your mode is access. What do you mean by that? I want you to understand first, because these are the commands we are going to keep on executing again and again. If you understand, is good. What I'm going to tell, switch port, FA0/1 is what port, isn't it? Switch port, your mode is access. Clear? Clear? You are telling switch, your mode is access. Now which VLAN you want to carry? Next, I'm going to tell switch port access, you can carry VLAN 10. Got it? First command I told switch port, your mode is access. Then switch port, you can access only VLAN 10. Got it? It says we don't have any VLAN, but it creates a VLAN. Now what is the next device connected? Which port is connected to? FA0/2. Now I understood why I made the PC number with the interface, so that for us to understand. Again, I'm going to go back. Interface FA0/2, and I'm going to tell switch port, your mode is access. Then you're going to tell switch port, your access, which VLAN? VLAN 10. Clear? Clear, guys? Once I did the normal method, I will show you the shortcuts also. So what are the next interfaces? So interface FA0/3, and I'm going to put switch port mode access, then switch port access VLAN 20. Got it? Clear? Now let me see. Do show VLAN is a command used to see the VLANs which you created. Can you see? I had created VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and in VLAN 10 I have two interfaces, which is 1 and 2. Got it? Clear? And VLAN 20, it is 3 and 4. I'm going to add 4. So interface exit interface FA0/4, which is switch port mode access, the switch port access VLAN 20. Clear? Now do show VLAN. You can see all the VLANs created and assigned. Now which are the two interfaces I have to assign now? So only 5, isn't it? I have only one command. So interface FA0/5 switch port mode access switch port VLAN access VLAN 300. VLAN can be of your own number, but we have some limit. We'll see that. Clear? Everyone? Now let us see whether same VLAN can communicate, different VLAN cannot communicate. So this is my PC1, correct? Now I'm going to ping IP2. Whether it will work? It is working. So let me ping IP3. It will not work because 3 is in different VLAN. Clear? Clear, guys? So same VLAN can communicate, different VLAN cannot communicate. So let me go to PC3 and try to ping PC4 and 5 so that you can have cross verify. So let me go to PC3. So from PC3 I'm going to ping 10.0.0.4 is pinging. Now let me ping IP5. It won't ping because those are in different VLAN. Clear? Let me configure the same on this device also. I'm going to configure with little short method. Now enable configure terminal. So you all know which are the interface connected to which VLAN, isn't it? So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For us to understand, if you connected this particular device to some other interface, you should configure that. FA 0 by 14. Clear? Clear? So I am going to configure it. Now I am going to configure it in different manner. So what is the first step I have to do? I should go to interface FA 0 by 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to keep on adding all the interfaces, isn't it? It's a long job, isn't it? Although two commands, although only 2 lines I am going to tell. Your access and you can access this VLAN. But every interface I have to add one by one, isn't it? It is too long job for me. So what is the solution? So do we have any other option? Yes, we have an option called range. So interface, usually what you used to do, interface FA 0 by 0, isn't it? You can put Ethernet, fast Ethernet, Giga Ethernet, and you have VLAN, and you have something called range. So I'm going to use range. What are the ranges? FA 0 by 1 until FA 0 by 5. Got it? Those are access port, you know, isn't it? Clear? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put switch port. Your mode is access. Clear? Done. Single command is done for everything. But the next, what about the VLAN? Can you add some separately or in a complete bulk? Individually. But you know 1 to 2 are in which VLAN? Sorry, 2 and 3 are in which VLAN? VLAN 20. I can add that too. So exit, again interface, range FA 0 by 2 to FA 0 by 3, or which now? Switch port, access, VLAN 20. Got it? Clear, guys? Everyone? Now again I am going to create one more, which is interface FA 0 by 1. Let me finish one also. Switch port, access, VLAN 300. Then exit. Then interface FA. Okay. Range FA 0 by 4. Now if you have FA 0 by 15, what you will do? I can add also FA 0 by 15 also. Got it? Got it? So FA 04 and FA 015 you selected. You can select in the range or you can select individually also. So I am going to select FA 0 by 4. Only 4? Oh, 4 and 5, isn't it? So 4 and 5. What I am going to mention is switch port, mode, but already access I told. So I am going to use access VLAN 10. Clear? So let me see whether I am able to ping the last VLAN which is over here. So ping, you tell me whether it will ping or not. 10.00.15, isn't it? It will ping or it won't ping? Can you say still it is in amber? Yes. This is also in amber. So I am going to forward. Now it became green. So let me see whether I am able to ping again. Pinging? Yes. But usually for you guys it won't ping. It won't ping. What about 24 to 24? Trunk. Did you mention there is a trunk? You have to mention trunk. By default it will work, but most of the time it won't work because of some VTP port models. We will see that. Auto desirable and all. We have few more things which we will see. Usually it should work. If it is not working, no issues. What you have to do, I am going to mention which is trunk now.
FA 0 by 24.
24, isn't it? So I should go to INT FA 0 by 24. Now I am going to put switch port, mode, trunk. Then I am going to tell switch port, trunk, then you can allow, can you, okay, let me have expand the screen. Can you see what it says? Allow. What you want to allow? Which VLAN you want to allow? Yes, got it. So I have an option that you want to allow all VLAN or only particular VLAN, or do not allow this VLAN, or allow VLAN except this. Is up to your configuration. But as of now, I'm going to allow all VLANs. So which is all. Clear? Clear? So what I did now, I told the trunk port that this, you are the trunk. You can carry multiple VLAN information. Clear? Clear, guys? Now again I should go to the second switch also. I had to mention the same, which is FA 0/24 switch port, mode, trunk, switch port, trunk, allow VLAN all. Got it? Now let me try to ping from here to another device. Already it's pinged, isn't it? So same VLAN can communicate, different VLAN cannot communicate. Clear? Everyone?